with all this snow coming down, today is a reminder that winter is still here, but oh boy am I ready for spring. I don't know about you guys, but we got a lot to do before spring, so the winter just gives us a little bit more time that we desperately need to get some projects done. Anyways, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. We are following up on a video we made a couple videos ago where we said that the guys are on a deadline before their first RZR trip of the year, and they have about 69 or 70 days left at this point to complete 4 more Polaris RZR cages. But that means we got one done, one is back from paint, and I can't wait to show you guys what this sucker looks like. It is called Magma Orange, I believe, and it's a crazy color. Can probably tell by the thumbnail in the video, I'm sure. But we're gonna get down to the shop, check it out, and check in with Ovi and see what else is going on today. In other news, we are trying to get our buddy Mitch's Lambo down to Florida. If you guys remember the green Lambo we did a couple years ago, very close friend of mine. He's looking for somebody to transport the Lambo down, and I'm trying to get Ovi to do it because there is a rally down there in Florida where actually Mitch last year met Zoltan Lucas, if you guys follow him on the gram. Big influencer on the gram, I guess, but super cool. I'd love to see Ovi get down there with the Lambo, get to ride and get some cool shots of that. We'll see. He's got a full plate, a busy schedule down at the shop as always. A ton of money getting invested into the shop on the back end that we're probably going to show you guys when Ovi gets all that done. It's going to be super epic little shop tour for you guys. And yeah, just tons of stuff to be thankful for on the channel. If you guys are new, we do all kinds of diesel truck and RZR type stuff, so please go back and watch some of the other content. But we are just getting down to the shop, and as soon as I pull in, we'll check in with you guys there. And here you can see we got a couple of the stock cages here. These are the ones that come on the RZRs from the factory. Again, not ideal by any means, not what we're looking for. We need something a lot more heavy duty, low profile, and just an all-around better design. So we're gonna see inside what Ovi and the guys do. But anyways, in other news, we got some snow in the LMM. Oh boy, we're gonna have to get the doors back on this sucker. Come on, oh man, them seats, boy. Anyways, this project, we gotta talk to you guys about that. Get some light in here, and here we go. Here is Ovi's. You can see this one is being started right here. He's got it all framed up here. Again, this is the Polaris RZR Pro that we stripped down in the other video, and now ran out of steel last night actually on this one, so wait until about Tuesday, I think, to get the necessary steel to finish this one up. What do we got going on here? Look at this one. This one is just mangled to all heck. What is going on here? I don't even know. Look at this. Oh, that's sick. Overtime diesel. Like that. But anyways, let's get around to the one that we came to see. I'm gonna go ahead and get some slow-mos for you guys. So 3, 2, 1, go. So here it is, guys, fresh out of the paint shop. So if you like the paint and you think they did a good job, this is PNC Coatings. We've had him down a couple of times on the video. Super nice guy, but if you want to hit him up, you can also check out his Instagram account. He does some super nice paint jobs, and this is the preferred painter for the shop here. And look at how cool this Magma Orange is. Looks so hot with the matching seat belts, and the suspension is also the same color. That looks so freaking good. And it's just got this super cool forest green, kind of army green, whatever you want to call it, green with the black accents, and now the Magma Orange, kind of that lava vibe. Look at the color scheme on this sucker, guys. This looks so cool. And then again, Ovi draws up all these files on the computer, bends all the tubing in-house, does the welding, and then ships it out to PNC for the paint. Then comes back here for reassembly, And just look at how hot this thing turned out, guys. Super, super epic stuff. Again, still got some reassembly to do on it, but again, this is what you're gonna get. This looks so cool. Right now, it's just mainly for friends, but we're honestly talking about what would it take to produce these for everybody, what the legalities are. So kind of talking with lawyers and the insurance, whatever, all the folks that we need to get involved to make sure that you could manufacture these safely and not get sued down the run. So not guaranteeing you guys anything, but possibly. And then you can get your custom cages here. Make sure to add Ovi on the Snapchat too if you guys are interested. He also needs a good wife. Send him a good wife, would you please, for crying out loud. Also, here is the stretch razor, still torn apart. If you guys haven't seen that, go back and watch that. But we got razor action here. It just feels good to know that one of them is done and 4 of them to go. So if you guys stick around, we're gonna have 4 more custom cages on the channel here before spring. So that's what's super epic. This thing's gonna look absolutely incredible too. I believe Ovi's gonna go all white on this one. Just crazy. He's in the other shop working. He might come over though, we'll see. I just love this razor. This is one of the high-end ones that Brad was telling us about last time, special edition or whatever. I don't have a razor. I'm not a razor guy, but that's what you guys are here for. We got some cool whips on there. Yeah, it's gonna come together nicely. So super pumped to see what they do with the other ones. There's a bunch of parts in here, teal parts, the cool seats. You guys know we've been hyping this thing up for a while. Gotta keep that screen clean. Yeah, so yeah, it looks like this might be the only piece of steel left there on the floor. There are some small scraps up here, and then of course all the little ends that they cut off right here. Maybe we could weld all these little things together and finish it up. Oh, what do you think? Man, that would be ratchet as can be, wouldn't it? But we gotta get the steel in, gotta get this stuff done, because this will be number 2. Then we can get on to 3, 4, 5, all of them. And right inside here, we have number 3 actually done. I didn't even realize it, but this 4-seater here, check out the color scheme on it, number 1. Love the color, black and red. Great color scheme, one of the best in my humble opinion. I like the seats. I don't know what's going on here. Hopefully he's got 2 other seats. Otherwise, think about it. If you sat right here, you could have all the leg room in the world, and then the driver can lean it all the way back. I don't really know what's going on, but I love the look of it. What a concept. Here to talk about the cage, but I'm getting sidetracked because the wheels match too. Look at them fuel wheels right there. Talk about the color scheme. Got some good meats on there. Red suspension, white coils, shocks, whips, got everything in the back that you need to go. So anyways, it's not all the way done yet, but you can see this has a little bit more of an aggressive approach, and then it just glides nicely down to the back. Got the door mounts on there and everything. So this one's looking super good too. Probably gonna have to get that over. I'm not sure what color it's gonna be, but what do you think? Red? What would look best in your guys' opinion? We'll see it when it gets back from the paint shop. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this before we move too far along and I missed some of the content. So this is number 1 out of 5 to go. Also mark your calendars. We will be posting when the trip is gonna happen if you guys wanna catch up at the ATV park and ride with us, that kind of thing. I'll leave some info on that as we progress. So make sure to stick around and follow the build series. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace. And last but not least, for the subscribers, you know, did I say that goofy? Subscribers. My old tire's still holding up, keeping Ovi's daily going. We need this thing to clap out a little bit more. I told him once he's done letting this booger go that maybe I need to scoop it up from him, replace the other Denali with this Denali. So Salt, eat this sucker up and bring the price down for me. And of course we got the window down because we got the groceries in the back, so we got to make sure that they don't go bad. We got to get them suckers home.